Now we'll see the single premium product. Now this product gives you benefits like a guaranteed maturity addition, and you will pay premium only for once. And this product also gives you a flexibility to choose from various fund options, which also gives you tax benefits like any other ULIP plan. Let's see how this product works. Step 1, you choose the policy term from 10 to 15 to 20 to 25 to 30 years, and you pay the premium only for once. And step 2, you have various fund options to choose from. Let's see an example to understand this product. If a customer, Srinivas, who is 32 years old, likes to purchase this product with a premium of 1 lakh rupees and with a chosen policy term of 20 years, we'll see what he'll get out of this product. To summarize, now Srinivas has taken this policy today and he has chosen a term of 20 years, so his policy matures in 2030. Now he is paying a premium of 1 lakh rupees one-time payment, and he'll get the maturity benefit of the fund value, that is 4.5 lakhs, plus guaranteed maturity addition, which is 50,000 rupees, so a total maturity benefit of 5 lakhs. And during the term of the policy, if there is any unfortunate death, his nominee will get the higher of sum assured or fund value. Riders are the extra benefits on the base policy, which come with a minimum cost. ADB rider. ADB means accidental death benefit rider. Let's see an example to understand the additional benefit of taking ADB rider. Mr. X has purchased a basic policy for sum assured of rupees 5 lakhs without ADB rider. If there is an unfortunate death of the customer, then his nominee will get the 5 lakh rupees sum assurance from the base policy. But if the same customer had bought this base policy with a sum assurance of 5 lakhs and accidental death benefit rider with the same sum assurance of 5 lakhs, then if there is any unfortunate death due to an accident, his nominee will get the 5 lakh rupees of the base policy plus 5 lakh rupees for accidental death benefit rider. So a total of 10 lakh rupees as death benefit. Accident, death and dismemberment rider. This rider will cover you for any unfortunate accidents. Now an accident may result in death or dismemberment. Dismemberment means loss of either major or minor limbs like eyes, ears, hands, legs, etc. This rider covers both death and dismemberment. Critical illness rider. Now this rider will cover you from these 6 critical illnesses: cancer, stroke, heart attack, coronary artery bypass graft surgery, kidney failure, recipient of major organ transplant like heart, lung, liver. Now, the income earning capacity of the individual may drop or completely stop after the illness or the recovery. Hence, the benefit of taking critical illness rider is the critical illness rider pay a lump sum amount for these critical illnesses. Dear customer, congratulations and welcome to our family. Your life insurance policy is your property with us, and the proposal form which you are filling right now is the basis of your property. Hence, please make it a point to furnish all genuine information for our easy claim settlement. So if you wish to plan for any other dream, please select from CRISP and take the help of our agent and repeat the same process. We hope that we have been able to help you in your personal financial planning. And if you appreciate our effort, please do refer us, your friends, your relatives, maybe your colleagues, maybe your neighbors, or even your customers, for our agents to continue the similar process to help families like you. And finally, once again, we thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.